Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the 50-30-20 rule, a simple, effective way to budget your money. Whether you're new to budgeting or just need an easy method to manage your expenses, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple guideline that divides your after-tax income into three parts. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, 20% for savings or paying off debt. It's a straightforward approach that shows exactly where your money goes each month. Let's break it down further. 50% for needs. This portion covers your essential expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. These are the must-haves for daily living. 30% for wants. This category includes all the extras that make life enjoyable: dining out, movies, hobbies, or that new gadget you've been eyeing. These are non-essential items that add fun to your routine. 20% for savings or debt. This final part goes toward building your financial future. It can be used to boost your savings, invest, or pay off any debt you may have. This rule is popular because it's both simple and flexible. You don't need to be a math genius to follow it, and it helps balance living for today while planning for tomorrow. It gives you a clear picture of your spending habits and helps ensure you're saving enough for the future. Imagine your take-home pay is $3,000 a month. According to the 50-30-20 rule, $10,500, 50%, goes to your needs like rent and bills. $900, 30%, can be spent on wants, like dining out or hobbies. $600, 20%, is dedicated to savings or paying down debt. This method helps you manage your finances while still enjoying life. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a flexible guideline. Life changes, and sometimes your needs or goals might shift. Adjust the percentages as needed to fit your situation, but keep the balance between enjoying today and preparing for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy money tips. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.